GMGM. I'm Chan YGGP from Project Airy. We will talk about video tutorial of DeFi Kingdom. Also the inside quest of DeFi Kingdom. So let's start. First, go to your website in YGG account and click up. Also, all you need to read the quest of DeFi Kingdom. So that's it. In DeFi Kingdoms, they have a 4 normal quests and also have a 1 quest in premium quest. And last is they have a guild quest in DeFi Kingdoms. But the easy quest of DeFi Kingdoms is Citizen of the Kingdom. All you need to do is to buy 3 heroes on DeFi Kingdom. So they have a 800 YGG points. Let's go into the website of DeFi Kingdoms. All you need to do is to create DeFi Kingdom accounts using your MetaMask. If you have a DeFi Kingdom accounts, go to Docs. Then all you need to do is to buy Jewels. How to buy Jewels? All you need to do is click onboarding, then go to buy Metis. All you need to do is to click one of the CX, OKX, Binance, or KuCoin to buy Metis. Because Metis is all you need to do is to swap the Metis into Jewel to easily transfer in your MetaMask or in your DeFi account. If you want to swap your Metis, click Hercules like this. Still loading. Then click this, click Metis, then Max, then swap it. If you done to swap your Metis to Jewel, go to your click bar tip, then click buy heroes. And that's it. All you need to do is choose wisely to buy hero into DeFi Kingdoms. Because these 3 hero, all you need is to fight into the Night Trade, Dark Water, or etc. Because all you need to do is to get a patrol, complete the patrol. If you're done to buy 3 heroes, click heroes, so that will be reflecting your inventory. So I have a 6 heroes in DeFi Kingdom. So that's it. The first quest in DeFi Kingdoms is complete. So this is that easily quest in DeFi Kingdoms.